How to download the Apple Book. On your iPad, touch the Safari web browser key at the bottom here. At the top of the screen, we want to just tap where it says search or enter website name, so we tap on that. The keyboard comes up. You enter wondermentpublishing.com and press go. On the Wonderment Publishing website, at the lower part of the screen here, you type Apple Book Preview. Just touch that. This takes you to the Apple Bookstore, where you can preview the book. So you can look at it, see the description, and you can download. So just press download. After it's downloaded, press read, and the book launches. The first thing you want to do is make sure scrolling mode is turned off. Tap the screen in about the middle. At the upper right here, you'll see the AA. Tap it, and it shows you that the scrolling view is off. If it's on, it looks like this. It's green. Make sure it's turned off. This will allow a lot more visual content to be displayed. Tap again for that to go away. Tap again for that menu to go away. You can scroll left to right to back up, and right to left to go forward. If you pinch zoom, pinch it down, you get into chapter view mode. At the bottom of the screen, you can see the pages of the book, and below that are the chapter markers. So you are able to advance to different chapters. Once we get to an area of interest, we can touch that page and open it. This section is referring to the fine-tuning of the universe and the physical properties required to do that. You'll notice throughout the book there are these little note buttons. If you touch the note button, it provides references where material was sourced from. For example, we have websites and YouTubes. If we touch a website, we can open it. We are now on the website. This website has an embedded video, so we can touch play on that video. We can expand that, just touch on it again, get this menu. We can expand it to full screen. Now the video stopped playing when we did that, so you have to go to the lower left and touch play to resume.
From galaxies and stars down to atoms.
So the video is now playing. To get back to our book, we pinch it down. And at the upper left of the screen, after it's pinched down, we can go to books. So that returns us to the books. And we're back in books. Again, we're going to go to chapter mode here. We're going to go to another section. This page shows a picture of the cosmos, and this is a scrollable window. So we are on page 1 of 12 of the pictures that are displaying. So we can scroll from right to left. Now we're on 2 of 12, 3 of 12. So we can get a lot of picture compacted into a page, providing much more content than you would get from a typical book where you'd have to display each image. I'm going to pinch down to chapter mode again, and we're going to go to a section called Miracles of the Bible. Now let's use the rapid chapter markers here. Here we go. So we'll touch on that. We are now in a section of the Old Testament miracles. We can scroll through this, and we can see there's a lot of Bible references on this. So, for example, in this section called the Miracle of Jesus, where his first miracle is where he converts water into wine, it gives a reference of John 2, 1 to 11. If we touch on the little Bible link beside that, we get a drop down of John 2, and we've got the scripture reference, so we can scroll that little window and we can see all of the scripture in relation to that reference. Again, we're packing a lot of information that you could view very easily just with a touch of your finger. Touching on the screen anywhere will get rid of that. Here's another one where Jesus heals the leper, Mark 1, 40 to 45. We can touch that, and again, we have the Bible references that support that as well. Touch anywhere on the screen for that to go away. Pinch to zoom that down. In this section of the book, we have references. As in any book, we can cite references, but in this case, we can also display various things like websites and YouTubes. So here we have a link to a magazine. And we are now on the website where this is. And to get back to our books, we simply touch books at the upper left of the screen. Here is another one that's got a YouTube link. We touch that, open. It takes us to the YouTube. We can now expand it to full screen by doing a pinch expand. To get back to our book, we pinch close and touch books at the upper left of the screen. That's Apple Books. Thank you for watching.